Let's go ahead and grade the Module 6 test. Something on cytoplasmic streaming, you should have said something about movement within the cell that's coordinated, something like that. Isotopic solution is one that has an equal salt content with inside and outside the cell. But it's on the outside of the cell. Cytolysis is actually where the cell itself explodes. So you could have just put cell explosion if you wanted to. Phagocytosis is actually where the cell engulfs something, or you could have put that it eats something by hugging it to death, something like that. You know what I'm saying. So it's engulfing something and taking it in. Activation energy is the energy to get a reaction going. Plasmolysis is, you could have put cell implosion, you could have put the cell shrivels up, something like that. Excuse me. Number 2. A cell produces a protein that will be used by other cells. When it ejects, when it ejects the protein, has it performed egestion, secretion, or excretion? You tell me. Secretion, good. What lies between the cell walls of plant cells? Good. What is the difference between, oh, you can't do this one easily. What is the difference between digestion and respiration? You should have said something like digestion is breaking things down, respiration is making energy. Something like that. Number 5, name at least 2 organelles that are involved in biosynthesis. That is a huge answer you could have had. I'm just going to read you his list just to make sure I don't miss anything. So out of this, you needed to have 2 organelles. You could have had ribosomes, chloroplasts, smooth ER, rough ER, plastids, Golgi, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Yeah, lots of things. So 2 of those. Let's see. Number 6, what organelle does rough ER have that smooth ER does not have? Ribosomes, good. Number 7, is a chloroplast an example of a leucoplast or a chromoplast?
Chromoplast.
Very good. Number 8, before a polysaccharide can be used in cellular respiration in an animal cell, to what organelle must it be sent? Lysosome. Very good. Number 9, if a cell's mitochondria stop working, can it perform any cellular respiration? Yes, yes. That's all you had to answer, too. You didn't have to tell where or why or how, just yes. So you had a 50-50 shot on that one, didn't you? Okay. Number 10. Oh, and just in case you're wondering what cellular respiration, it can do the anaerobic respiration. Remember the fermentation? It can do that. Okay, let's see. Number 10, which provides more energy per molecule of glucose? Respiration in aerobic conditions or anaerobic conditions? Aerobic conditions, thank you. Number 11, what stage in cellular respiration produces the most energy?
Stage 4.
See, I frequently get that, stage 4. He wanted the electron transport system, but it is stage 4. So I will take both answers, okay? So he shouldn't have asked it that way. He should have said, name the stage, right? Or she, whoever wrote this. Let's see. Number 12, what gives the plasma membrane the ability to self-reassemble?
Phospholipids.
Phospholipids, very good. And I just want to see. Yeah, see. As far as I'm concerned, phospholipids is absolutely correct, but in the answer key, it says phospholipids because they have a hydrophilic and hydrophobic end. Well, he didn't ask that.
I put that.
Okay, but you really only had to have phospholipids. So I'm saying for the benefit of you kids out there, if you had phospholipids or you had that they have a hydrophilic or hydrophobic end, either one is a correct answer. You didn't have to have both. That's what I'm saying, okay? If they want that, they have to be more specific. Okay, let's see. Which 2 stages of aerobic cellular respiration produce equal amounts of ATP?
1 and 3.
Good, 1 and 3. I can do that. 1 and 3. Okay, there we go. So glycolysis in the Krebs cycle, correct? Very good. And then number 14. A is a protein, and B is a sugar, and C is cholesterol, and D is microfilaments. Yes, carbohydrate is the same as sugar. I'm sorry. Yes.
It's just protein?
Did you put glycoprotein?
Yes, I did.
Just scratch out the glyco. Okay. And did anybody say it was an active transport site? You could have had that as an answer. Absolutely, that's right. Okay, so you could have had protein, you could have had an active transport site for A. For B, you could have had sugar or you could have had carbohydrate. Sorry, my brain goes right to what it is. It's a sugar, but yeah, carbohydrate. C was cholesterol, and D was, you could put, they have filaments of the cytoplasm, cytoskeleton, so you could have just put cytoskeleton, or you could put microfilaments, or, you know, one of the three that we discussed on there. Okay, any of those would work. All right? Personally, I don't think the test for Module 6 was that hard. The module was hard. The test wasn't that hard. This next module's not that hard, but the test is hard. That's why I'm giving you the heads up. And it's not bad. It's just a matter of, I'll give you the heads up. When you get to meiosis, you're going to have to keep it straight in your mind what's exactly happening. And as long as you do that, it's not too bad. So you can even draw yourself little pictures if you need to. I would.
How many
So,
points?
oh yeah, that could help, huh? Come on, Mrs. Freitas, get it together. Let's see, that was Module 6. Everything is 5 points apiece. Nope, 4 points apiece.
Oh, good.
Everything is 4 points apiece. Then that's A, B. Every answer is 4 points apiece from the way they've got it here. Okay? So every answer is 4 points apiece. Okay, let's put that away and open up to the next module.